Okay, let's talk school bags. Not just what's in them, but how they feel. Because honestly, your school bag isn't just a bag, it's your survival kit. First up, stationery that slays. Pens that actually work, not 5 dead ones, and 1 chewed-up pencil. Keep a compact pouch with 2 smooth pens, a pencil, eraser, sharpener, a mini scale, and maybe some pastel highlighters if you're that academic aesthetic. Sticky notes? Yes, please. You'll feel like the main character while marking important pages. Next, your hygiene rescue kit. This one's a must. A small pouch with all the just-in-case lifesavers. Tissues or wet wipes for surprise spills. Hand sanitizer, lemony fresh or basic, your choice. A pad or panty liner. Trust me, always be ready. Now for the low-key beauty touch-up zone. No makeup required. We're not doing a full glam routine in the school bathroom, okay? Just the basics. Lip balm. A little tint never hurt if allowed. Oil blotting sheets, because midday forehead shine is real. A tiny mirror. That's it. Quick refresh, and back to slaying the day. School is exhausting. Hunger hits like a truck by 11 a.m. Keep one low-key snack, granola bar, dry fruits, or even a biscuit pack. Also, carry a small water bottle. Hydration equals glow from the inside out. The underrated MVPs. A few safety pins. 1 or 2 band-aids. Hair clip or clutch. Emergency cash. A small cloth bag in case you need to carry extra books. Now, don't forget the obvious, your school stuff. Carry only what you need for that day, not your entire syllabus. Your bag deserves better. Use file folders or subject dividers if your bag's always a mess. Your future self will thank you. Cute extras that upgrade the whole vibe. A small notepad or mini journal to write your thoughts, to-dos, or doodles. A cute keychain or charm to add sparkles, main character energy sparkles to your bag. Final thoughts. Don't just throw stuff in your bag and hope for the best. Pack like the girl who's got her life together, or at least looks like it. Your school bag can be chaos, or it can be your soft, organized, glow-up zone. So, if this helped you feel a little more ready for school, like, comment, share with your bestie, and subscribe for more real girl glow-up guides.